NFT took over the art world by storm last year and this year, and they are still on track to continue shaking up the world. From utilities like in-game items to profile pictures for social media accounts, digital music to status symbols, NFTs have seriously blown up and grown multiple folds. If you are going to jump on this trend and buy an NFT in the near future, then this video is just for you. Welcome to our channel where we sieve through complicated crypto topics, summarize and break them down into bite-sized videos that are easy for you to understand. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is an NFT wallet, or rather what is a crypto wallet? How does an NFT wallet work? 6 features to consider when choosing an NFT wallet. Best free NFT wallets, the pros and cons. Before we continue, remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. What is an NFT wallet? Or rather, what is a crypto wallet? Before we dive into this, we have to clarify that there is no such thing as an NFT wallet. They are still just crypto wallets for blockchain-based assets, which might be NFTs or coins or other tokens, but these wallets are able to store NFTs. We may use NFT wallet and crypto wallet interchangeably in this video, but they mean the same thing. NFT wallets create and store both your public and private keys and interact with various blockchain networks, allowing you to access, monitor, send, and receive your digital assets. How does an NFT wallet work? If you watched our previous video on crypto wallets, you would have known that we do not actually store our coins and tokens in our crypto wallets. Our digital assets only exist on the blockchains, not in our crypto wallets, unlike our traditional wallets, where we keep physical items like cash, credit cards, and so on. This means NFTs wallets are like the gateway between you and the blockchain network. They just store information about where your NFTs are on the blockchain via smart contracts. An NFT wallet gives you a private key, and with this private key, it is saying you own anything related to the public address. Please watch our What is a Cryptocurrency Wallet video for a detailed explanation and an analogy of crypto wallets. Link in the description below. 6 features to consider when choosing an NFT wallet. Number 1. Compatibility. A wallet must be compatible with different exchanges and platforms. If not, you will face difficulties in the future when you want to trade them. Number 2. Security. An important feature to consider. Can you imagine if your Bored Ape NFT was stolen? A good NFT wallet should at least have an extra layer of security to prevent hackers from accessing your account, like a 2-factor authentication. Number 3. Ease of use. No one likes a complicated wallet. There is a higher chance of making errors when the user interface is complicated. The last thing collectors want is a wallet that is difficult to use. A clean and easy user interface will go a long way when it comes to buying and selling your NFTs. Number 4. Cross-device. Half of the world's traffic comes from mobile devices, so it makes sense that your NFT wallet needs to work on both your mobile device as easily as on your computer. Number 5. Multi-chain support. Most of the NFTs are on the Ethereum blockchain, but there are other blockchains gaining popularity in the NFT space. Examples are Solana, Cardano, and so on. Getting a multi-chain wallet will give you a wider variety of NFTs in the market. Number 6. Customer support desk. It is very frustrating if you get stuck in the middle of buying an NFT and there is no help available. Best free NFT wallets, the pros and cons. We have narrowed the NFT wallets down to 5, and they are Trust Wallet, Alpha Wallet, Engine Wallet, Math Wallet, MetaMask. Just a small disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by any of these wallets, and the 5 wallets we recommend here are free. When we say free, it means the wallet is free to download. They are also free to store your NFTs. However, there may be other fees like gas or transaction fees when you buy or sell your NFTs. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a mobile-only wallet. Acquired by Binance in 2018, This means it has the support of one of the largest crypto exchanges. Pros of Trust Wallet. The simple user interface makes it easy to use for beginners. Trust Wallet supports a huge range of cryptocurrencies and provides a seamless and secure connection between you and any decentralized application on Binance Smart Chain or the Ethereum network. Trust Wallet has a built-in swap feature to allow you to swap the right cryptocurrencies to buy a corresponding NFT. This really means you have direct access to NFT marketplaces. Trust Wallet also has a section for NFTs, allowing you to view NFTs you own. Not only that, this wallet allows you to earn from staking. Cons of Trust Wallet. It is only available on mobile, and you have no direct access to it from your computer. Alpha Wallet. A 100% open-source self-custodial wallet developed by Web3 engineers for the community. This wallet interacts with smart contracts and dApps. Pros of Alpha Wallet. Good for beginners due to its minimalistic interface. This wallet gives you a cold wallet level of security with its biometrics or PIN code authentication and 12-word seed phrase. You can also earn with DeFi through lending and liquidity pools in this wallet. The Alpha Wallet is able to interact with Web3 browsers. This means you can visit NFT marketplaces, games, and other resources without leaving your wallet. You are also able to tag your NFTs with meta tags. Cons of Alpha Wallet. Only supports the Ethereum blockchain. Engine Wallet. Originally designed to support the gaming platform, it plans to be the best NFT wallet in the play-to-earn space. Pros of Engine Wallet. This wallet has a great security feature, which is a fingerprint scanner for users. Someone with access to your private key can see your NFTs, but they will not be able to move your NFTs to another place because they will need your fingerprint to do that. It has a dedicated customer support desk, very uncommon compared to other popular NFT wallets. Engine Wallet allows you to create many wallets, like a wallet for savings and another for your NFT game assets. The possibilities are endless. Cons of Engine Wallet. Engine Wallet only supports Ethereum NFTs and is available on mobile. Math Wallet. Touting as one of the most similar wallets to MetaMask, Math Wallet has over 1 million users. Pros of Math Wallet. Math Wallet offers staking through its Math Vault with a very competitive annual percentage rate. This wallet also has a dApps browser allowing users to view NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Uniswap, Curve, NFTgo easily. Math Wallet is a multi-chain and multi-platform wallet that supports more than 70 blockchains. It works with hardware wallets and is available on both the mobile app and the web. Cons of Math Wallet. Their user interface has bugs during its development stages. MetaMask. This is one of the most popular free self-custodian wallets, and we bet you'll probably recognize its famous Fox logo. It is available as a browser extension initially, but not anymore, bringing us to one of its pros. Pros of MetaMask. It is also available on a smartphone or tablet. MetaMask also supports hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger. MetaMask is backed by Consensus, a blockchain technology solutions company, and Consensus is backed by the Ethereum Foundation. MetaMask has an inbuilt exchange, making it easier to purchase other NFTs. Cons of MetaMask. It supports only Ethereum blockchain and doesn't have a feature to showcase NFTs. We have talked about the pros and cons of 5 NFT wallets, and whichever you choose is dependent on your purpose at this moment. If you are looking to buy non-Ethereum NFTs now, then Trust Wallet, rather than MetaMask, may be more suitable for you. However, if you want to focus only on Ethereum NFTs, then MetaMask might be a good option, because MetaMask is one of the most popular wallets out there. We plan to do a video dedicated to it. From setting up a wallet with MetaMask and using it, to adding other blockchain networks to your MetaMask wallet. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will be notified when this video comes out. As we end this video, we hope you learned something about NFT wallets. Please feel free to share our videos with your friends so everyone can learn more about crypto and blockchains. Do you have further questions? Let us know in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. It is a form of encouragement to the creators, and we thank you for that support. See you in our next video.